There are so many different types of content, and you'll see over here behind me, I've shared a list of 20 different types of content. Not all of them are going to be relevant to your content creation purposes. Some of them might not appeal to you. Some of them might be more challenging for you to create. Nonetheless, I think it is important that you are aware of the options that are available to you. And then later what we'll do, we'll go through the different reasons why you might want to consider using a particular format over another. But let's look at this list, beginning with blog posts, social media posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, case studies, white papers, ebooks and webinars, live streams, testimonials, and then interactive content. Don't forget email, newsletter, presentation, downloadable PDF, spreadsheets, infomercials and animations, 360-degree videos or photos or panoramic photographs, interactive maps, and then memes and GIFs or GIFs, whatever you prefer to call them. And then you also get augmented reality and virtual reality experiences. And finally, last but not least, don't overlook the importance of Braille. Now, you're not always going to use all of these different content formats, but there will be a time and a place where you might find one particular type of content is more relevant to your audience.